Good days, boys and girls. We're now on the third part of our Photoshop lessons. Now, as you can see here, we have created virtually 3 layers. And I almost forgot that in this layer here, we'll be doing a levels. What does level do? Well, levels is actually, well, let's look at it. We go to adjustments and go to levels, or that is Control R. This levels graph here indicates where it is the highlight, the shadow, and the midtone. Let's try it out. See, let's try this eyedropper and look for the whitest part here where we want the whitest part to be. Let's say it is this part. There, see how it adjusts? And we go here and look at the, see, you can move this and look at the darkest part we want this image to have. And let's say in this corner here where it is dark, so let's click it, or probably can borrow the darkness here. There you go. There you go. Well, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, so we'll just Control Z. That is part of image editing. Or you can just slide this left slider to the right. There you go. See that? And over here is the midtone, where we can adjust the midtone. So basically what this does is adjust the highlight, shadows, and midtones, and when you're happy with it, you click OK. There you have it. Now that we have that here, we can combine these images now. How do you combine that? Well, you do Control E. That means you are merging it into one. So what was before 2 separate images, because you have done the adjustment necessary, you can Control E to not flatten it, but see over here it says merge down. You can merge it down. See, the beauty of that is you can still manage to transform this, such as Control T, and do the desired size you want it to be. So in this instance, I'll probably put it in this. See, you can see that the height is 1903 pixels, so this should be fine, or one about like that. Remember to always hold down the Shift key, and when you're happy with it, either double click inside or hit this check mark. There you go. And go to the Move tool. Move tool, the shortcut is V. I'll just put it back to selection, hit the V tool and place it there.